Brief bouts of snow are combining with the cold to make for some slick roads and resulting in a lot of crashes today. Here's a look at a rollover this morning on I-35 near Thompson Township. Officials say the driver lost control and rolled in the roadway and into the ditch. Thankfully, no injuries there. The Minnesota State Patrol tells us between midnight and noon today, there were 77 crashes statewide that caused damage and 29 vehicles that went off the road. Be sure to have a winter survival kit in your car if you're driving in the cold these next few days. Meanwhile, a propane truck tipped this afternoon, closing a portion of Arrowhead Road in Hermantown. Authorities say the driver suffered a medical emergency, then hit a light pole and tipped over. The road closed for cleanup and areas near the crash were evacuated. The road is now open again and people were allowed to return home. Now, the driver remains in the hospital tonight. Their condition is unknown. Authorities say there was a small leak from the truck, but it was quickly contained.